Hello everyone, today I am going to CUCT Common University Entrance Test nta-net fact plus PhD Entrance Test preparation practice set with 10 quiz. The study of skeletal remains to determine the characteristics such as age, sex, and ancestry is known as forensic anthropology. Which of the following techniques is used to visualize latent fingerprint on porous surface? Answer B. Ninhydrin. The study of pollen and plant spores found in and around the crime scene is known as palynology. What is the term for the examination of digital devices and data for forensic purposes? Cyberforensic. Which of the following is a technique used for examination of question document? Ink dating. The study of insect found non-decomposing remaining to estimate to the death is known as forensic etymology. What is the term for the analysis of firearm discharge residue to determine the distance from which a firearm was discharged? Gunshot residue analysis. The study of hair and fiber found at the crime scene for forensic analysis is known as forensic trichology. Which of the following is not a type of DNA sequence variation used in forensic DNA analysis? Ribosomal DNA, RDN. The study of chemical compound and identification of illicit drugs is known as forensic drug analysis. Thank you for watching my video. For more educational content, please like, share and subscribe our channel Pillar of Forensic Science. Subscribe for support. For any suggestion, contribution and contact collaboration with me, contact directly on email, WhatsApp, Telegram. For educational content, visit on Telegram channel.